go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money,
Dollar, dollar.
What's up today, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna go over some ways on how to actually save money. Tell me down in the comment section below, why are you not able to save money? What's holding you back the most? Now let's get to it. You need a plan. Without a plan, you are going completely wild. What I suggest is to actually write down your income for the month versus your bills for the month, and then subtract them from each other and then see what you're left with, or if you are even left with anything. This will help you better understand where your money's actually going when you're actually tracking it, versus just going week to week, getting your paycheck, spending your money, and not knowing what the hell you're doing with it. I think we're all guilty of this next one. Let's be real. Buying stupid shit. Know your needs versus your wants. That's going to be the main factor here. Is, do you need it? Is it essential? Or do you want it? If you can learn to cut costs and stop buying, Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks coffee every single day, that's saving money. What is a cup of coffee? $3-4 a day. You get it 5 days a week. It adds up. It adds up at the end of the week, every week. If you look at your month on coffee, I used to spend around, I'd say, $50 to $60 a week on coffee. So if you take, even number, $50 a week, that's $200 a month just on coffee. Now, I'm not sitting here trying to tell you how to live. This is all stuff that I've done personally and that I've changed in my life to get to where I'm at today. You're not gonna save money, you're not gonna thrive unless you're making over $100,000 a year. You can afford that type of lifestyle. But the average person, they can't live off of takeout, all different types of coffee, bills, necessities. You need to really cut the cost of necessities versus needs versus wants. Now, any of you can do this next one, seriously. All of you either have an interest that you're interested in, something that you like to do, or you could just find some type of thing that you like, no matter what it is. I personally, myself, started flipping stuff. Went on Facebook Marketplace, went on Craigslist at the beginning of the pandemic, stuck at home, didn't care, wore my mask. Hit people up in the free sections. Oh, you're getting rid of it? Anything wrong with it? Nope. Okay, I'll take it. I'm coming now. Took it, reposted it, sold it. Did it take up my time? Yes. Was it hard? No. Was I going to a job? No. I was still making money. I was still making something. Some of you may think, oh, if I go and pick up something and I, get it for free and I resell it for $50, but it took me 20 minutes to drive there and it was 10 miles down the road. Is that $50 still worth your time? To me, it is. I'm a hustler, man. I'm all about the money. There's millions of dollars in this world and you have to just go and find it. So I really don't want to hear that you can't find another source of income. You can't find a side hustle. You can't find a side hobby, because it's just BS. Type of world we live in today, money is everywhere. The beginning of the pandemic, I started to get back into sports cards heavily. I used to when I was younger, and basically I'll save that for another video, but that stuff blew the hell up. I was grading cards, I was buying sealed, I was trading, I was doing all sorts of stuff. It's just, you have to search, you have to do research, you have to find what you're actually interested in. I can't stress it enough. Stop doing what the hell everybody else is doing. What do I mean by that? You see Joe Schmo go buy a brand new car. You don't then need to go out and buy a brand new freaking car, man. I see so many people in this world, it's literally like, it's not even about building wealth, growing, bettering yourself. It's literally clout chasing. Who has the best clothes? Who has the best car? Who has the best shoes? It's ridiculous. I'm not saying don't go out, don't buy nice clothes, don't get a new car, but really know when you need to do it. There's a time and place for every single thing. You don't need a car if your car is fine. You don't need to keep buying brand new clothes if your old clothes are still fine. There's the little things like that that can really hold you back from being down here to up here where you want to be. It's, in my eyes, just a waste. This generation is way too caught up on being up to date with everything when your priorities aren't even straight. Your life isn't even up to date. You need the new iPhone every single September, but you can't even afford anything else because all your money's going to that new iPhone every single year. And it just comes down to it all. You don't get rich trying to look rich. Now this last one, disregard everything if you can't follow this last one. Straight up. Don't lose track of your goals. Seriously. If you want to do something, you can do it. Dreams are for dreamers, goals are for achievers. If you sit there and you really keep your mind right and you stick to what you want to do, you will freaking get to it. Some people slack off, some people, really can't stay on track. Go on your phone, set a reminder. Set a reminder every week for the next 52 weeks of your plan, your goal, and stick to it. Because that's what I did to stay on goal, stay on track of what I need to do. I tell myself all the time, I'm gonna do it. You procrastinate, and then you end up not doing shit. You need to really stay on track. Not in any way, shape, or form am I a financial advisor at all. I'm just a curly-haired dude with colored eyes and sitting in front of a camera talking to you guys. But I'm telling you the truth, the real truth of what you guys need to hear. There's no BS of do this, you have to do this to be able to save money and be successful. You can save money, you can get to where you want to be, no matter the amount of income that you have. There is no excuse. Sitting at home watching Netflix on your day off, playing video games, just sitting on TikTok, bullshitting, going through everything. That's just a waste of time, waste of life, waste of energy. You could be putting your time and efforts into a lot better things that are gonna better you for your future. You only have one life. Live it right. Build yourself, grow yourself, seek growth within. You aren't gonna get rich quick. It doesn't happen overnight. You really have to just be patient and disciplined and follow everything I just told you guys. And honestly, I promise you, if you come back to this in about 6 months to a year, you will say it worked. I bet you. Now, I hope I could be some sort of help or influence on you guys, because I know a lot of people out there really are struggling with being able to save money, stay disciplined, stay on a budget, stay on a plan. But you heard it here first from me, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.